In today's world, the right high-yield savings account can do wonders for your finances, allowing you to earn significantly more than traditional savings accounts. With interest rates so competitive, it is essential to capitalize on these offers available in 2025, whether you raise saving for a vacation, emergency fund, or a large purchase. These bonuses provide a fantastic head start. Remember, the sooner you open an account and start saving, the sooner you'll benefit from that sweet interest. Seize the opportunity and watch your savings grow while you take advantage of these incredible offers. Before diving into the details of each offer, it's crucial to understand why banks are willing to give you free money for opening accounts. Simply put, banks thrive on deposits. They use this money to fund loans and investments, which is their primary way of making a profit to attract new customers. Especially in 2025's competitive landscape, many banks are rolling out attractive sign-up bonuses. These incentives are not just nice perks. They represent real cash that can significantly boost your savings journey. By exploring these offers, you can secure extra funds while benefiting from high annual percentage yields (APYs). Consider it a strategic way to maximize your savings with minimal effort. Let's break down the first top offer, Sophie Checking and Savings, which stands out with a generous offer of up to $300 bonus and a high interest rate of 4.60% AP. To maximize this opportunity, simply open a new Sophie account, set up direct deposit, and make an initial deposit ranging from $1,000 to $4,999 to qualify for $50, or go above $5,000 to secure the full bonus of $300. Not only will the bonus appear in your account shortly after the deposit, but you'll also benefit from the no account fees policy and a user-friendly app that simplifies money management. Taking advantage of this offer could be the easiest $300 you earn this year. Next, let's examine another exceptional option, Discover Online Savings.